students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn Chapter 1, A Cat's Tale, Part 2. Let us listen first the word meaning. Mean means unkind, nasty. Ancestors means people in a person's family who lived a long time ago. Boasting, speaking with too much pride about one's achievement. Fussy, hard to please, very particular about small ancestor. Matters. Appearance means the way you look on the outside. Your appearance, how it is. So children, this word meaning, you learn it. And now, we will have the recapitulation. What we learned yesterday. The last class we learned the cat, dog, parrot, etc. about the pet animals. And about all the pet animals we have seen, they are very good. Everybody like to keep pets. And today we are having the second part of it. And we see the Tim. Tim is here. He has come to visit you. And what Tim speaks about? Tim says that I was born in a city in India that human called Delhi. So Tim is originally from the Thailand, a breed of Korat, and he has never gone to Thailand. He has never gone, but he says that I have heard Thailand is a beautiful place, both mountains and beaches are there. So he says that I have not seen, but it is a good place I have heard. Why he has not seen belonging to Thailand? Because his ancestors are from Thailand. And he has come to India and he is in India. He is born in India, a place called Delhi. I think it's an important city because I have met many important cats there. So he's telling, in Delhi there are many important cats are there. Many varieties of cats are there. Not the cat, the variety which I am. I am a carrot breed. So he's telling there are many varieties. And once I ran into a cat who had visited Rashtrapati Bhavan. He had seen the President of India from behind a bush on the beautiful lawns. He saw a cat who had gone to President's house and he had come. So this cat ran to that cat and went there and he started to speak, who had visited the President of India. He was in the President Bhavan. He had seen the President of India from behind a bush on the beautiful lawns. He was standing in the bush and beautiful lawn was there and President of India was there whom he could see. I didn't like that cat very much. He kept boasting a lot. Boasting means, see here, seeking with too much pride about one's achievement. So he's telling that cat was too much boasting about his achievement, that he has seen president, he has been there, too much he was boasting it. And that cat, he did not like it. He could not stop talking about all the important minister and politicians he had seen from under a chair. He had seen so many ministers and so many people, important people of India from the being behind the chair. He said that the finance minister had even scratched him behind his ear, and that the prime minister had called him the most beautiful cat in the city. So listen how he is boasting. He is telling that he was first behind the bush when he saw a president in the beautiful lawn. Second, he says that he saw the ministers from under the chair. From under the chair. And now he is saying that Prime Minister scratched, President said beautiful. So how it is possible when he was not near to them? That means he is simply exaggerating it. He is talking too much. He is just boasting. He is not aware what he speaks. He is saying, Timmy say, the cat whom he met, he ran behind and ran for the cat. That cat was too bad, too much was speaking. Too much he was playing. Too much speaking which was not necessary, he was adding. He said that he was behind the bush when he saw the president. Same time he is boasting that president touched him behind, he scratched and petted on the, and then Prime Minister of India said, you are the most beautiful cat. That's really funny. And he says, I was under the chair. If he was under the chair, how the president went? He knelt down and wished. So with that we can be very sure Tim is speaking truth. Tim is telling that cat was boasting. Unnecessary things, too much speaking. He might have seen from the bush. That is no doubt. But that he added the story too much. He couldn't stop talking about all the important ministers and politicians he had seen from under a chair. Ministers had called him the most beautiful cat in the city. Most cats are quite proud and very fussy about their appearance. Their appearance means how they look. But this one thought too much of himself. All the cats, they speak about themselves, about their appearance, but this cat was too much speaking. I am not a very important cat. I have no home. I wander around the streets every day in an adventure. It's thrilling. I leap from building to building, squeezing through cracks in the wall, watching the world go by. And I am simply love to climb. Yes, we cats are very good climber. So he is telling, I have no one, I don't have home. But I go around, wander. From one place to another I wander. I go to the park. I go to the park wall. I climb. I sleep. I stay. And most of the cats are good climber. Cats are good climber. Now children, you see, What are the importance of today's class? We have learned Tim was from Thailand because his ancestors are from Thailand. He is a carrot breed. 1 point. Second, he is born in Delhi. Because of that, he has never gone to Thailand. Third, he met a cat who was boasting too much and Tim did not like. Fourth, he explains about himself that he has no one. He only wanders one place to another. He goes through the cracks, he climbs on the wall, he goes to the park wall, he goes on the climbing on the tree, as many cats are good climber. Naturally, cats are good climber. Any danger comes, they jump to the trees, or any places are there, they climb. Okay children, these points you remember it. Thank you.